Secrets to becoming wealthy: minimum wage job, financial independence, retire early. You can be rich even with minimum wage. How could you be wealthy with just minimum wage? You don't need to have a six-figure income to be wealthy. It's less about how much you earn and more about how you can save and invest. So if you are working a 9 to 5 job and you are feeling discouraged because you want to get rich but don't know how to do this because you're earning minimum wage, this is the video for you. Please don't feel discouraged because I am here to tell you that you can get rich and have that lifestyle you've always dreamed of. That's what I'll be helping with you today. And this video is all about how you can grow your money in more ways that you thought possible. Welcome to Savvy, where we have lots of practical wisdom to share. Hey, don't forget to hit the like button below, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more advice here on Savvy. Today, I'll share some secrets to becoming wealthy with a minimum wage job. First, start as early as possible. If you start as early as possible, you will win with compound interest. The sooner you can invest your money, the better. If you start investing your money early on, you'll eventually need less to set aside to reach your goals. If you start saving at 25, you could be a billionaire by 69. You would have to save 14 every day if you're getting an average of 6% investment return each year. If you are 35, you would have to save 30 every day to become a billionaire by 69. Second, make it automated. The best way you can invest regularly is to make your finances automated. What does this mean? Automating it is having your income deposited directly into your checking and investment accounts. A good example is Chris Ryan, a millionaire at age 35, who retired at 37. He proved that automating your finances could be one of your keys to success. Third, be mindful. Being frugal doesn't mean living like you are poor. It's all about being thoughtful about your spending. To do this, you should be able to differentiate your wants and needs. This doesn't necessarily mean that you won't be spending on any of your wants, and all you can spend on are your basic needs. It's all about discipline. Fourth, have multiple streams of income. There's a common denominator with most millionaires these days. It has multiple income streams. You need to diversify your income. Most millionaires believe that this isn't just important. In fact, it is necessary. You could either get a higher paying job, start a side hustle, start a business, or start investing in getting passive income. Fifth, set smart goals. Your goals are essential. The goals you set for yourself are a vital part of the process. Why? Because these goals are what you're working towards. That's why you must have a clear and definite goals for you to be able to have a clear path that you can start working on. This increases your chance of succeeding, because without clear and concrete goals, how are you supposed to know exactly what you're working towards? You must have SMART goals, because these should be timely, realistic, and attainable. At what age did you start saving? How has your savings progressed so far? Please share it with us in the comments below. Sixth, budget. You need a budget, regardless of how much you are making. Even a millionaire needs a budget. If they didn't, they would be spending mindlessly and wouldn't be a millionaire for much longer, would they? Given that you are earning minimum wage, it's more critical that you make a budget and stick to it. Budgets are reasonable because they help you track your expenses and your progress. This will help you feel more in control of your finances, decreasing your stress on finance. Aside from that, it will help you be more aware of your financial standing, which will help you make better financial decisions based on your situation. You might feel like this is just something else to add to the list of things you need to do. It's more work. But trust me, when I say this will help you save a lot more than you think. 7th, get rid of high interest debt. Debt, especially high interest debt, can be a roadblock to achieving financial independence. There is reasonable interest, but you should be able to determine when it's not. There may be debts with high interest that aren't really serving you and can be avoided. First, you need to know the root of your debt to come up with an alternative solution. Debt is stressful to deal with, so paying it off as soon as possible is helpful to you. Financial stress could make you feel less motivated to save and manage your money. So you must free yourself from debt and avoid it as much as possible. 8th, don't postpone things. There are times that I procrastinate. It's easy to put things off and say, I'll do it later or tomorrow. Before you know it, it's been a couple of days already, or even a few weeks, and it still needs to be done. That's why you must make a conscious effort not to put off the important things. That's why you have a list of priorities, as you should have one, because this will help you make the most out of your time. Don't postpone things, and instead, start saving and investing now. Quit with all the excuses, and there should be no excuses. If you want it enough, you'll make it happen. It doesn't matter how much you're earning now. What matters is that you are able to save. It doesn't matter how much you can invest, as long as you are investing in what you are capable of. No matter how little it is, it all adds up and makes a huge difference. 9th, cut expenses. This falls under being mindful and making a budget. Cutting back on unnecessary expenses will help you save. This could mean making your own coffee instead of buying an overpriced cup every morning. It could also mean packing some lunch instead of going out to brunch every day and paying too much for a piece of bacon. Cutting back on expenses, again, doesn't mean not spending on your wants, but remember to be mindful of what you are spending on. This means you'll have to live a more frugal life, but it should be all worth it to achieve financial independence sooner and retire earlier. That's enough practical wisdom for today. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up below. We will be posting 4 to 5 videos per week, so click the subscribe button and the notification bell to be notified of our new videos weekly. Thanks for tuning in. See you in the next video.